everyone, greetings from National Skills Network. This is Madhuri and I'm here to tell you a bit about our video content story. Well, as you may be knowing, video content is not easy to create, and often we start doing something but then we would not be able to maintain the pace, that is the frequency and the quality, and many issues come up because creating videos, though it is very easy, sometimes it becomes very challenging. Let me tell you how we solved few of these challenges, and we actually created opportunities to populate our video, and there are many milestones here and my team members will take you through them. But something which stands out really for me from the video is the presentation Sahitya and I made when NEP 2020 was released, the National Education Policy 2020, and it had a lot of importance being given to vocational education and vocationalization of education at school and college level. And this was very close to my heart, not only because we were creating awareness and supporting advocacy for skills and work integrated education, but also because of my doctoral research which was in policy implementation. So here's what we found as an opportunity, and we made a video and it went viral, and I'm so happy that we did it. Now from here, let me take you back to how it all began. So a bit of a flashback.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahitya. First of all, I would like to wish NSN a very happy anniversary for completing 10 successful years. And it's my pleasure to be able to contribute to NSN for over 5 years now. It has indeed been a very successful and fulfilling 5 years for me at NSN. I would like to particularly talk about NSN's YouTube channel. When I began my journey in NSN, we were just starting out on YouTube with about 100 subscribers. I remember very clearly in the year 2019, where me and my colleagues Pratyusha and Ajay and even Madhuri ma'am, we were all roaming around IIIT campus under all sorts of weather conditions, whether it's rainy, sunny or windy. We used to go and complete our shoot, come back, edit and also post the video on the same day. And when the pandemic struck and we were all in different places during lockdown, we still thrived and continued to post videos on YouTube channel that were useful for teachers, students and all other stakeholders who were interested in this domain. We started with many initiatives during those years like NSN Connect, NSN webinars. We were also doing explainer videos for everything you need to know about, like Paralympics or World Skills and many other topics like that. We had also done videos about online resources for teachers and students so that people could continue their learning during lockdown. May NSN celebrate many more such anniversaries in the future and continue to contribute and be a strong advocate of importance of skills and continuous learning in the lives of people. Come, let's make skills aspirational.
Hello everyone, I am Pratyusha. A big congratulations to NSN for completing 10 wonderful years. It has been truly an honor to be a part of this journey for the last 6 years. When I think about my time with NSN, it has been a phase of immense learning and growth, both personally and professionally. I have got many opportunities to try out many new things, and one of the most memorable ones has to be creating YouTube videos. The NewsBytes videos in particular have a very special place in my heart. We started with NewsBytes videos during the pandemic because that's what our audience wanted at that time. And we experimented a lot with various formats, various styles of NewsBytes videos, and we consistently kept our audience updated with all the recent happenings in the skilling ecosystem. The love and support we received from our viewers kept us going, and we are truly grateful for all the love and support we received from our audience. Once again, a very happy anniversary to NSN. Here is to many more years of impact, innovation and success.
As Pratyusha and Sahitya just shared their stories about how we were making video content and trying out different things, and each member in the team was supporting each other, and that was a wonderful time. But also there were very critical crisis kind of situations. One of them was concerning my mother. So this personal crisis actually made me go into a very big depression kind of a moment it was in my life. And but then the channel had to be kept alive. So one such situation, I wasn't in a real position to really dress up or get ready and create the video, but then we needed the content. So like you can see the pictures here, I think I didn't even care about what I was wearing or how I looked. I just made the video. So these are small things, I think, which we should keep in mind when we are embarking on a video channel and creating video content, because the quality, consistency, frequency, these things matter. But most importantly, the audio also matters. So I feel that it's okay, you may not look all that presentable, but if you are audible, it makes a huge difference.
My first story to where we are today has been a journey of passion and purpose. Subscribe now and grow with us as we continue to inform, inspire and connect the skilling ecosystem. Thank you for watching and being part of our journey. Here's to many more milestones together. Thank you.